Here's the second duration problem that we just worked. We've already got a solution. And in this short video, what I want to do is I want to introduce a new concept called modified duration. Okay. As I've discussed previously, duration is measuring the magnitude of the inverse relationship between bond prices and bond yields. I've given you the formula for that. We've worked a couple of problems. Hopefully you're starting to feel comfortable with working these duration problems. What I want to do now is I want to introduce the concept of modified duration. So modified duration, it's pretty straightforward. Modified duration is just equal to duration divided by 1 plus R, where R equals the yield to maturity. Now the concept of modified duration is important. While duration itself is measuring the magnitude of the inverse relationship between bond prices and bond yields, modified duration is said to give us a more accurate representation of that magnitude. That is, once we go through the process of calculating duration, as messy as it might be, when we divide duration by 1 plus R, we're going to get a slightly smaller number. In this problem, duration was 1.9342. Modified duration is just going to be equal to 1.9342 divided by 1 plus the yield to maturity. In this particular problem, the yield to maturity on this bond was 7.7%. So I'm going to divide this by 1.077, and my modified duration is going to be slightly less than my duration. When I do this, 1.9342 divided by 1.077, I get a modified duration of about 1.80. Now this modified duration is said to be more accurately measuring the magnitude of the inverse relationship between bond prices and bond yields than duration as we've calculated it previously.